Hi Aries, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for your love bite now. Let's see what's going on in your love life now, Aries, if there's any message that you need to hear now. All right. And these are general collective readings, Aries, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. That said, let's begin. Let's see what's going on here for my Aries gang. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aries and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aries, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see how the angels will bless this reading and then we'll start, okay? My angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or just a message for my Aries, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. This one. All right, let's put this card here, Aries. Put the rest back. And the card I have here for you is generosity. So I think, according to the book, I mean, generosity, of course, the first thought that comes into your mind is you have to be more generous, and if you give, you'll get. No, in the book, actually, it says it's time to be generous to yourself. And I do see a lot of my Aries doing that, trying to be the best versions for themselves, trying to give to themselves now, trying to become better and better in their own life without, expectations from others, because trying to be self-reliant, basically, okay? So let's see what's going on in your love life now, Aries. What's somebody coming towards you, somebody new, somebody old, or maybe there is somebody in your life right now. So this is going to be a simple 9-card spread, Aries, as always. Just a quick love bite. And we'll do some dialogue messages as well. And the good news is I've got you lots more. New decks have come in. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, of course, my email is in the description box below. Aries, you can reach me there. Bottom of my deck, see? The happiest card in the deck shows up for you. The Sun card. Okay, so let's see now. Lovers in reverse. Somebody has made a choice here. The Page of Cups. The 5 of Pentacles in reverse, thankfully. The World. 9 of Pentacles. Look at the center of my spread. Now this card looks like the sun, doesn't it? The person who is beautiful, independent, looking good, smelling good, can take care of themselves. And yes, that's the center of my reading for you. And you know what happens after the 9 of Pentacles, right? One more is needed till you reach the 10 of Pentacles. Next card says Queen of Swords, 3 of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Oh my God, Aries, you being tough cookies here. You've got your sword up after this heartbreak that you've experienced, and you're saying, see, look at this pentacle. I was talking about this one pentacle which is needed for this 9 of Pentacles, right? So you add the 9 with the 1, which should be coming from your partner, so to speak. But I think, Aries, right now you are saying, hey, I can do it myself. And I'm no longer wanting to be waiting around for somebody to present it to me, right? You are moving ahead to find your 10 of Pentacles by yourself without having to rely on someone else to provide it for you. And why is that? That's because I think, Aries, of this heartbreak. And that's why now your sword is up. Okay, so let's take some dialogue message cards. Let's see what people, I don't see one person here. So let's see who wants to say what to my Aries and or vice versa. Okay. Let's take some more. Okay. And let's take 2 more from this one. Okay. Oh, Please get to know me again. I have changed. Second card says, it drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at me. Sometimes you need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. So this may have been your complaint, Aries, that somebody took your love for granted, but they're coming across saying, hey, please get to know me again. Okay? So yes, this is somebody from your past who's saying, I've changed now. Give me another chance. They want to come and apologize to you and say a sorry to you, it seems. Okay, next card says, though we cannot meet or see each other, I still I love you more every day. My heart belongs to you for eternity. So you guys are in separation, not seeing each other because your sword is up now, Aries here. But this person is saying, even if I don't see you or we can't meet, I still love you more each day. I'm haunted by your presence. I see you in my dreams. I hear you telepathically. Every song I hear reminds me of you, your name everywhere, and numbers that have special meaning to us. Everything reminds me of you, and all I want is you. If this is happening to you, why do you stay at a distance? There is no escape for me when I try and move on. And when I move on, I'm haunted even more. Now, somebody is in deep regret here, Aries. They are now, I think, the stage that you've been through, your past person is now on that stage, getting synchronicities, hearing songs, seeing your... but now Aries has their sword up. Now they want to come back and tell you they've changed, but I don't know whether you're going to allow them now. I'm so proud of you, my love. You inspire me to be a better person. I'm working on myself and I hope that I can inspire you too. So even if you guys are not together, they've been watching you. They've been watching you, wanting to come out of this abandoned place that they find themselves in. You've abandoned them, left them out, to dry, I think, in the, outside. And they want to come out of this. They don't want this chapter to shut with you. The world is in reverse. Somebody doesn't want this chapter completed. They're saying, hey, I've changed. I've been watching you progress in your life, maybe through your social media, through your friends. And they're saying, hey, I've been watching you and you've inspired me to become a better person. And please meet me again. I have changed. Give me another chance. It hurts. This is you, Aries. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. Enough is enough. You've taken my love for granted. You've wasted so much time. I mean, I might as well pick up my sword. And now that I've, gotten used to being single and abundant on my own, I'm not going to become somebody's spouse to get that one little pentacle. I can probably just move ahead and create it for myself now, right? Why should I go through this heartbreak time and time again? Last card here says, Aries, there's a huge void in my life since you've been gone. So somebody is missing you very badly. They want you to be generous to them, Aries. You are their sunshine. You are their happiness. And now they've kind of made that choice. They know what the right choice is. And that's to come back and bring you an apology, it seems. They want to come out of this cold place now. The lover spirit? Yeah, see, like I said, they want to now leave all these troubled times behind and move to a calmer space with you because according to them, they've changed now and hoping you'll give them another chance. I think somebody wants to come and give you an apology because now you are no longer wanting to grow with them. They are not feeling abundant. They're feeling the lack of, your nurturing, nourishing qualities that were there in their life. Now you've the Empress is angry and upside down and kind of ended the situation with them, right? So now they're feeling that deep void that is there in their heart. 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. Yes, this person is feeling very, very unloved, Aries, since you stopped fighting for them. They loved it when you were always, caring and nurturing and taking care of them and seeing, just kind of taking all their bullshit. But now I think somebody here, that's you, I think, who's kind of had enough and said, I'm not your mother, I'm not your parent, I'm not going to just kind of keep giving you chances over chances. So now this person is feeling the brunt of it. They don't want this chapter to end. They were trying to control this situation maybe in the past. They wanted to direct the situation. They wanted to direct how you would behave or how and where the relationship would go, Aries. But right now this person is feeling they've lost control of you. They've lost that power, that control that they had on you, because now you're seeming pretty fine on your own here. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit, for Aries. Yeah, you've taken away their love. You've drained out all the love that you had in your heart for them, and maybe you were waiting for a long time. Two of Wands, right? Waiting. Maybe one day they'll change, something will change. But hey, listen, how long can I wait? Okay, so you've kind of made your choice. You've made a decision that I'm no longer going to give my love just there to anyone. And like my angel said, you decided to start being generous with yourself. And once you started doing that, here's the glow up. You're looking fabulous. You're doing well, and now you're on your way to achieving your Ten of Pentacles, with or without somebody that you have to always be in conflict with. You're dropping the conflict. Aries is saying, I am not part of the competition. Okay, if you want to fight for your attention, or if there are too many people in the mix, I'm the Empress, right? And you play with all your little ones, but the Empress is no longer available. I'm not going to play. I am, in fact, decided I've got my own horses now. I've got my own chariot. I've been working hard on myself, and I'm charging ahead to create my own Ten of Pentacles. I really waited a long time, for that one pentacle, that measly one pentacle, which, I thought you would step up to the plate and bring it to me. But since you haven't, I'm gone. Queen of Swords, Spirit. Queen of Swords. Yes, Aries, I think if this person has been cold to you in the past, if they have been too weak to make a decision regarding you, they maybe were a little standoffish, they were a bit cold, it was their way or the highway kind of a thing, and they didn't really bring any strength to the connection. They didn't choose you. They wanted to keep all their options open, and whereas they should have chosen you, because they didn't, I think, Aries, you are kind of mirroring this person now. You said, all right, if you're going to be the King of Swords, here I am. I have a bigger sword than yours and a bigger throne as well. Okay, so I decide now what I want to choose for myself. Three of Swords, Spirit. Yes, Aries, you've released all this toxic energy which gave you a lot of heart pain, and you've snuck away from the connection now. You're no longer dealing with any cheaters, liars, or people who want to play games with you, who hurt you, who, kind of take your peace of mind and go, ha, 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 I got away with it one more time. I think, Aries, you're releasing all this. You are no longer interested in being sidelined. You deserve to be treated like the Queen of Pentacles, like the Empress. And since this person hasn't done it, Queen of Pentacles, Spirit. Yeah, you're turning your back. You're turning your back on them. And now that's put them into the hermit zone now. Yes, now this person is depressed, because you've refused them, or even energetically you're showing up as very independent and doing well. Now this has put this person into a hermit mode where they're very, very sad, depressed at all this delay that is going on now, because now they can't come to you and they can't get your loving and caring and nurturing that they got so used to. My Aries is in the sun energy now. So Spirit, the sun and sun. What's the sun for Aries now? Oh, okay. Yes, Aries, this person has now realized you are their sunshine. Ever since I think you pulled back on your love, you're no longer giving, you've drained that cup of love, right? That big cup of love is now all drained out and saying, hey, I'm not giving you my love. Now this person is seeing you as the brightest thing ever. They see you as their sunshine, they see you as their sunlight, they know that things have totally backfired on them, and somebody here is feeling rather foolish. Okay, now well, that's where they're at. They do want to come back, they are wanting to tell you that they've changed, but they also know that they are the cause of this tower. They know they've caused this tower moment by being a player when they had the opportunity to make things right. Maybe they were harsh, they were rude, they were mean, they were a player. They are realizing all their mistakes with the hermit here now. They are realizing what they've done, and this person is now totally stressed. Totally stressed in their head, because now Aries is no longer investing into this connection. Aries right now is investing into new connections and meeting new people and looking beautiful and enjoying their life. That's a great place to be, Aries. Don't second guess yourself. If this person has really changed, they'll have to prove it, right? So that's all I have for you. I hope this worked, and I'll see you for your love read on Monday now. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.